Throwing synthetic chemicals on your garden is actually destroying the exact foundation your plants need to survive. If you want a massive harvest and plants that practically grow themselves, you have to stop treating the leaves and start building the dirt. Building healthy living soil without a single drop of toxic chemicals is the ultimate cheat code for a thriving garden, and it is way easier than the big garden centers want you to think. First, you have to know what you are actually working with. Get a basic soil test. It tells you exactly what your dirt is missing, so you stop guessing and wasting money on random additives. Once you know the baseline, it is time to make some black gold. Composting is literally just hoarding your kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and dead leaves in a pile until they turn into the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. The golden rule is 2 parts brown stuff like dead leaves or cardboard, and 1 part green stuff like veggie peels or fresh grass. Mix it up, let it rot, and watch your soil transform. Next, you need to cover that dirt up. Bare soil is dead soil. Throw down a thick layer of mulch like wood chips or straw around your plants. This traps the moisture in, chokes out the weeds, and slowly breaks down to feed the ground underneath. And if you have empty garden beds during the off-season, do not just leave them bare. Plant cover crops like clover or rye. You do not even harvest them. You just let them grow and then chop them right back into the dirt before they flower to pump the earth full of nitrogen and organic matter. Speaking of organic matter, dig it in everywhere. Well-rotted manure and leaf mold are basically magnets for earthworms. Earthworms are the absolute heavy lifters of your garden. They aerate the ground, fix your drainage, and poop out pure nutrients. If you build a moist, organic environment, they will show up and do half the work for you. When you do need a nutrient boost, ditch the neon blue liquid fertilizers. Go grab natural stuff like bone meal, blood meal, or fish emulsion. They release slowly and will not burn your plant roots or wreck the local ecosystem. You also have to stop planting your crops in the exact same spot every single year. Crop rotation is an ancient trick that stops the soil from getting completely drained of specific nutrients and breaks the cycle of pests and diseases that overwinter in the dirt. Move your plant families around every season to keep the ground fresh. Finally, stop drowning your plants. Water early in the morning or late at night so the sun does not just evaporate it all instantly. Check the top inch of the dirt first, and if it is dry, then you water. Building incredible soil is a long game of learning and adapting. But once you get the ecosystem dialed in, the dirt does all the heavy lifting. You just get to sit back, relax, and harvest the rewards.